Hello everyone, I'm Carmen Roca and this is my final project for the Artistic Curation and Research Workshop course, my Journal of Author. In this final assignment, I wanted to represent my journey throughout the course, analyzing all the work done and reflecting about my own performance in these 4 months. It is hard to deny that I was pretty lost when thinking about what to do since I was artistically blocked. After a few days of preparation and incubation, I came up with this idea. What if I combine all the art done in just one picture? I think that was the moment of illumination, since I went all for it. I got some inspiration from some pictures and I thought that we had been doing loads and loads of different activities simultaneously. Like if we had the gift of ubiquity. This whole course has been a great challenge for me, since it had been ages since I last sat in front of a blank page and started drawing. So it brought me back to those good old days when everything was just as simple as sitting around and do some drawings. Like in any other challenge, there are hints, tests, battles to fight for, in which there is always a space for improvement. The aim of this subject was to achieve weekly goals in order to reach the last one, the Journal of Author, in which we will demonstrate all the knowledge acquired and the beginning or of appreciation for art and its transversality. That is why I decided to base this last project as a stair-climbing adventure in which each step represents the knowledge achieved through every session, technique applied and work done. The picture altogether represents 4 months of hard work and consistency. Thank you so much for taking your time to watch my piece of art. I hope you have enjoyed it as much as I have. Bye bye!